In this video, I will show you how to send photos on TikTok messages. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, go ahead and select the account that you want to send a message to. Now to send a photo on TikTok messages, you can send one from your gallery or you can simply click one. To click one, you want to tap on this camera icon. Now go ahead and take a photo. After that, you can apply filter or add text, then tap on the send option. To send a photo from your gallery, tap on this icon right here. Now go to photos. From here, select the picture that you want to send. You can select multiple pictures as well. Now tap on the send option. And as you can see, you have successfully sent photos on TikTok messages. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.